Welcome to the channel. I am Corvette Hop. Today we're going to work on the C7 Corvette. We're going to remove and replace the fuel rail covers, upper and lower, and the engine plenum cover. Why are we doing that? We're going to dress up this engine. We're going to make this engine from this to looking like this. With that, let's go ahead and get started. And hey, keep those cars on the road.
Let's go ahead and remove the fuel rail covers. Of course, they both just pop right off. And now we'll go ahead and remove the lower fuel rail covers. This, of course, is the lower fuel rail cover. There are 2 torque screws on each lower fuel rail, and here are where the torque screws are located.
And there's one on each side. Here we go, and you press in this right here, and it just pops off just like that. Now that we have these 2 torque screws loose, we can just work our way out of here.
Once all the covers are removed, they'll be sent to Mild to Wild in Converse, Texas for hydro dipping.
Plenum cover is held down by these large nuts. 4 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, need to be removed with a 10mm socket. That's actually what they look like. I like to put everything in a plastic Ziploc bag, just so that when I'm finished I can go back and put them all in. So your igniter wire is actually held down by these wire ties, which is connected to the top of the plenum. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and clip them, just like that. And I'm going to show you what to do with them later.
There's actually 5 wire ties on the plenum on the driver's side and 3 on the passenger side.
And that's actually what it looks like. Now watch what I'm going to do here. So this is the one I clipped, and I'm just going to feed it on through. I'm going to clip this end of it. I'm going to take a new wire tie, and I'm just going to feed it through. And there we go. Then I can reuse it just like this. And this will fasten down to the plenum. These are very hard to find, so be careful when you do pull these out.
You also need to disconnect the pressure sensor located right here. First, go ahead and pull the blue tab outward on the sensor. Next, push down on the black tab and pull out.
Now we should be able to remove the top plenum. And there we go.
And this is what it looks like after all the graphic work is done and reinstalled. All the hydro dipping was performed by Miles to Wild in Converse, Texas. I'll provide the address and contact information to Miles to Wild in Converse, Texas below. Let's give Miles to Wild a round of applause for their great work on this engine dress-up. Now these are some other dress-up kits made by James Williams for C7 Corvettes. Now James does all kinds of custom work, and his contact information is on the bottom of the screen.
Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today. Keep those cars on the road.